Welcome to Rosie's Recess.
Hi guys, welcome to Rosie's Recess. We're gonna make a leprechaun trap.
Almost St. Patrick's Day. To make sure we capture a leprechaun.
Yes.
Alright, how are we going to do that?
So we need coins. We're gonna make a sign, which is I'm gonna write, and we need a box, and we'll need cauldrons and this, so the leprechaun falls like on a soft landing, and then these are just decorations. Mom, can you take my Band-Aid?
So we've already opened up this end of the box for the leprechaun to drop into, and we used the part that's actually the cutout handle already, so it was easier just to put the scissors in and cut the hole inside.
And we're gonna use pipe cleaners as the ladder.
Yep, so we're gonna have a
Because we
ladder.
cannot find popsicle sticks.
So we've got
And
one.
we also need fake coin. This will say real gold, and then he'll jump in and find some gold. But it's actually fake coins.
That's fake gold?
Yes, it's fake gold. And guess what? Leprechauns will leave you a present.
They will?
Yeah. They will leave you a present.
Two things.
There's 4 sides on each side. Wait, 3
Two
sides.
rows of long.
Wait, 4. So you do one here, one there, one here, and one there, and one behind.
Okay, so I need 2 more of these long.
But don't put it on the front, because how would the leprechaun go through?
Right. Good point. So, unless we can cut out. Well, that's all right. I already did that.
You can easily get different type of decorations. Oh, we got stickers and these. And cauldrons.
And green glue.
Green glue to draw with.
All green everything.
And maybe if your cauldrons didn't have any holes, you can put water for the leprechaun to drink out of.
Okay.
Sometimes he leaves you a present, sometimes he doesn't.
Gotta keep our fingers crossed then. Are we feeling lucky on St. Patrick's Day?
Well, they only come whenever you're sleeping.
Oh, they
And
do.
they stay in the trap. And whenever you trap them, they are not dead.
That's good. No leprechauns were hurt in the making of this video. Leprechaun. What do you think his name is? Or her name?
Lily?
Lily the leprechaun?
Liliana is my sister's name.
And also the leprechaun's name is... Wait, is Lily a leprechaun?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
You're not sure?
No.
So Lily might be a leprechaun?
No.
So,
My sister's not a leprechaun.
I don't know. Maybe she'll get in a trap. Maybe
My sister is not really a leprechaun.
No, she's kind of little. She's small like leprechauns.
Guys, my sister is not really a leprechaun. James is just
She
joking.
runs around a lot like a leprechaun does. But,
James is just kidding.
but she actually doesn't have the beard like the leprechauns do, so that's good. One side. Okay, so we got the box all covered in green.
And now I'm gonna write free gold.
Free gold. All right.
I'll take my marker.
Okay.
I got free gold.
Sounds good.
I wrote free gold, and we're gonna put a sign so we know where to drop and where the gold is. And I also draw some gold so it makes sense that there's gold there.
Okay,
Then
so,
we'll tape it with clear tape
yep.
onto the box. Tape it wherever you did not write. Here, like that. We're gonna actually tape it to here so we know where the gold is. We're gonna make the ladder out of pipe cleaners.
Make a ladder.
These will be the pieces for it to step on. Now we're gonna put the fluff inside the box. Ah!
That's a lot of fluff.
Okay. I'm gonna look inside in case it's everywhere! Now I'm gonna put some of the gold inside.
Shake, shake.
So it gets everywhere.
Yep.
The gold is buried in there, so the leprechaun will have to dig for it.
Oh, perfect. That's exactly what we want.
Now we can decorate it.
All right, sounds good.
I like it.
All done, ready for trapping leprechauns.
Yeah.
I'll show everybody all sides. So we have the ladder here. The leprechaun can climb up. See some free gold.
Yes. And whenever he jumps in, there's free gold, and in here there's actual gold. And here there's like nothing.
Yep. Good trap. And then we'll get all sides covered, depending on where he comes from. You never know. Very cool. And then there's the cotton inside, so he can fall into the fluff. He doesn't get hurt. And I think you can have him trapped.
Happy St. Patrick's Day, and thank you for watching.
And don't forget.
And don't get stuck with glue like what I did.
This is a leprechaun trap, not a Rosie trap.
We get stuck with glue.
And don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thank you guys for being here.
Bye. I'm gonna get this glue off my hands with soap and water.
Good idea. Thanks, guys.